Hmm, this is good. Let's see. So I'm going to add uh, sharing. Oh, sharing. That's a voice command. I don't know what it means. Siri. Siri. Oh, that's what it showed. I thought I said. I said sharing. It thought I said Siri. I didn't even know I had that turned on. Siri, send a message. I was just joking. I didn't. I was checking to see how this thing worked. I didn't know if you could send it or not. That's cool. Uh, turn off. For you to turn off. Let's see. What was I gonna say? I thought this was a different color at first. Oh, that's this screen. Okay. Wait a minute. Oh, okay. Start attending events and see activity here. Okay. Yeah, this is cool. Okay. Need open graph and meta description images. Also create privacy and terms and conditions page. Use Paradise Entertainment as the company. All right, let's pause this. And so I think y'all was here when I told it I need the terms and conditions page created, privacy policy page created, and the code for meta description, open graph tags. That's the image that's shown when someone shares the app. But I think the next thing I'm going to ask it for is, let's see, create an event. Okay. An upload space for images for each event and include the tags inside each event. So when an event is shared, then it also is displayed beautifully. And the sharing is tracked to the user and a place to issue a value amount for sharing the event. How does that work? Based on how many people, I don't know how that's going to work. Well, I guess it's just for sharing. A point for every click. That's going to be interesting. See if this can track that. So the user will have to be given assigned a value. In my mind, need to be able to upload an image for each event. Oh, So you see this? All SEO and legal pages have been successfully implemented. Here's what's now complete. SEO and Open Graph implementation, meta descriptions for better search visibility, Open Graph tags for beautiful Facebook, LinkedIn sharing, Twitter cards for enhanced Twitter previews, keywords, and author pages for improved SEO. Legal pages created, privacy policy and terms and conditions, complete user agreement and platform rules. Both pages feature Paradise Entertainment branding. Paradise Entertainment branding. Key features added: responsive design matching your platform's aesthetics, easy navigation with back buttons and footer links. Professional footer on landing page with legal links. Company branding prominently featuring Paradise Entertainment. How do you get the branding? How to access, visit the landing page to see the new footer. Great. Object storing is now set up. I'll create the necessary files for image upload functionality and integrate it into this event creation form. Now let me update the server routes. I said Paradise Entertainment. Let's see. Show this QR code at events to check in and earn points. $1,900. Oh, 11:23. We got it to 10:23. Oh, that's tomorrow. Upcoming. Why does it say live? Here we go. Your event management platform now supports image uploads. Event organizers can upload images for their events using a modern drag and drop interface. The images are securely stored in cloud storage and displayed throughout the app. How would you like to test this new feature? Or what other improvements would you like? Let's create an event. Well, wait a minute. We need to be able to go back and edit these events. First of all, now there's no edit functionality yet. Let me add that feature for you. You always want to try to put yourself in the mind of the user, your client, and the customers and clients of your client. What features are essential? What features would be useful? What features would be a bonus, a plus, would be seen as extra value, would provide extra value? And if you can provide it and it doesn't take away from the aesthetics or the functionality or the performance level, or it doesn't, especially if it doesn't increase cost, and especially if it doesn't take an absorbent amount of time in order to do it, throw it in there. Now, if it expands the scope of the project a lot, then you probably want to ask if they want it or not, because they might just want it as clean, lean, mean as possible, simple, especially if they got a lot of people working under them who might find it difficult to navigate the app. Then they might not want anything there besides what they asked for and what is necessary in order to achieve the desired outcome. So, you have to play that by ear. Know who your customer is, know who your client is. And one thing you can ask is, how much creative freedom do I have? Do you want me to check with you for everything that is not specified here? I'll add the edit dialog. Because, suppose they put an image there as a placeholder, have someone doing work to create a better image, a more preferred image, but want to go ahead and create the post and use an image as a placeholder. They got to go in there and edit it. Suppose an event has to change locations, they got to go in there and edit it. Let's see. Go to the staff tab. Well, I would have thought that I'd be able to click on it to edit it. Oh, okay. You can. I don't know. You got to hit it just right, though. Oh, they got the edit button over here, but you see that? Bad color, or the default is white. The hover color is nice. You need an outline. I need an outline over here. I'm going to tell them to give it a purple outline. Huh? Oh, give the buttons a color outline. A purple color outline. Purple color outline. And I thought this was fixed. We'll do it one at a time. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm. Yeah. Perfect. Thanks. Thanks. Now, or maybe we need to create all of the functions first. Communicate with customer segments. Whoop. What happened? What just happened? I think I'll wait on this part and let's talk about. This is a big deal. Looking at the code, the compose message feature is currently a placeholder in the staff dashboard. Based on the design and context, here is how it's supposed to work. Purpose: the compose message feature is designed to allow staff DJs to send targeted communication to the customer segments. Current state: it is just a button with no functionality implemented yet. It is part of the send updates card that shows icon, megaphone, title, send updates, description. Communicate with customer segments button. Compose message. Intended functionality based on the design. Target audience selection allows staff to select specific customer groups, like VIP members, frequent attendees, customers with high point balances. Message composition. Provide a text editor to create announcements, event updates, or promotional messages. Deliver method. Send messages via email, in-out notification, or SMS. Message type. event announcements, special promotions, reward updates, and general purpose communication. To fully implement this feature, we would need a messaging modal, dialog with form fields, database tables for messaging and recipients, back-end API endpoints for sending messages, integration with email, SMS services, message history, and analytics. Would you like me to implement this messaging functionality? I can create a complete system for staff to compose and send targeted messages to customers. Can Go High Level be plugged into this? Can Go High Level be plugged into the system here is what we ask. See, do roughly know what Go High Level is. Landing pages. I'm tripping now. Perfect. So what we're going to do is we're going to build a complete in-app system now. And if he wants additional functionality and capabilities later, then we can incorporate Go High Level. Let's do it. But we'll want additional staff accounts. Should that be done first, or it doesn't matter? Because they will just create accounts just like customers, and but be able to plug in the features, the staff features. So I'm just trying to figure out what's the logical best order for creating the additional staff accounts before incorporating all of the communications features, or after. Already set up well. It doesn't matter which we do it, which way we do it. I think it said which order we do it. Okay, great. Okay. Multiple staff accounts already work out of the box. Each staff member gets their own login and can access all of the staff features. The system first. All right, let's do it. Three messages, one action. Perfect. The staff account system is already. Oh, just repeating that again. Let's do it. All right, we in go mode. 11:28. I'm in slow mode. Just take it in. Ronaldo. 20, not 30. Hour and a half. I'll pause it, bring you guys back when we get further along. So let me explain what's happening here. We're getting the future-proof architecture benefits, enhanced data foundation. Customer segments, the segmentation logic we build now becomes valuable for data for Go High Level. Okay, let me go up higher. This is not exactly what we're putting in. What we're putting in is pure in-app messaging system, in-app notification center, message inbox. Each customer gets a personal message center in their dashboard, real-time alerts, instant notifications for new messages, point updates, rewards, message categories, announcements, personal messages, event updates, reward notifications, read and unread status, read and unread status, track which message customers have seen, dashboard announcement systems, banner notifications, show important announcements at the top of a customer's dashboard, pop-up modules, display urgent messages when customer logs in, dismissible alerts, let customers close messages they read, targeted banners show different messages based on customer segment, customer segments, event triggered notifications, check-in confirmations, welcome to event name, you earned 50 points. Point milestones. Congratulations, you've reached 500 points and unlocked the VIP status. New rewards. And I'm lost. New reward available. Free drink voucher for 100 points. Event reminders. Show upcoming events they've registered for. Smart segmentation and targeting. Customer tags. VIP. Frequent attendee. New customer. High spender. Behavioral triggers. Last seen. Points. Balance. Events attended. Personalized messages. Hi, name. We have a special event just for you. A/B testing. Show different messages to test engagement. Staff communication tools. Broadcast messages. Send announcements to all customers or specific segments. Personal messages. Direct communication with individual customers. Template library. Pre-written messages for common scenarios. Scheduling. Queue messages to appear at specific times. Browser push notifications. It's optional. Permission-based. Ask customers to enable browser notifications. Event reminders. Your event starts in 1 hour. Are you ready? Okay, doesn't say that. Point updates. You just earned 50 points at such and such event. Reward alerts. New reward unlocked. Bling, 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 bling. Oh. Implementation benefits. Zero external costs. No monthly fees for email or SMS services. Complete control. All data stays within your system. Rich formatting, use HTML, images, and interactive elements. Real-time updates, instant delivery without delay. Analytics built in, track message views, clicks, and engagement. Mobile friendly, works on all devices throughout the web app. Staff dashboard features message composer, rich text editor with customer targeting, campaign analytics. See how many customers viewed, clicked messages, template manager, create and reuse message templates, scheduling. Oh, we finished. Scheduling calendar, plan future announcements, customer segments, easy targeting by behavior of attributes. This approach gives you a powerful communication system that's completely self-contained, cost-effective, and perfectly integrated with your customers' data and behavior patterns. Would you like me to implement this in-app messaging system? I can start with the notification center and staff messaging interface. Oh my God, yes. And then I asked, could I integrate it with Go High Level later? And is it best to integrate now or later? It says it's best to do it now because now you're putting down the foundation and you're collecting information, and Go High Level will just be able to plug in and enhance the features whenever you're ready. I said, okay, great, let's go. And it's gone. And now it stopped. How does the messaging system look? Well, let's see. Oh, I'm jumping around here. Template name, welcome message, category, general, welcome event, reward, announcement, content, template, uh, template content. Hello, all. Thanks for signing up. You'll be happy you did. Please fill all fields. Create template. What's the variables? Oh, event name. Let me create this template. Yeah, they might already have one. So I'll put 2 behind it. What? What am I missing? Subject. Oh, template created. Now let's see what templates they got in here. Thanks for signing up. Oh, it's just mine. Okay. Send a message. Oh, okay. That's why we clicking around in here. See what we can break. Oh. Mm. Oh. Oh no, that wasn't for send a message. That was to see the recipients, right? Oh, okay. Well, yeah, everything's lovely now. Or maybe it's just for this template. Oh, everything's lovely now. Somebody want to buy it? What am I missing? I don't see the. Let's see. I don't see the messages. I don't see the messages. Welcome aboard. Mm, let me give it. I should have sent a picture because I might be in the wrong place or something. Notification center. Where's the notification center? Oh, oh yeah. Where are they stored? In the Dashboard. Oh, oh, okay. Why notifications instead of a separate message section? The messaging system is designed as a notification-based communication system where staff can send targeted messages to customer segments. Messages appear as prominent notifications to customers. All communications, check-in, rewards, staff messages is unified in one notification center. This keeps the customer's dashboard clean while ensuring important messages from staff are immediately visible and don't get missed. Try clicking the bell icon now. You will see any messages that were sent to you with the enhanced orange styling that makes staff messages stand out from other notifications. What other notifications? What other notifications? Based on the messaging system I've implemented, the customers receive automatic notifications from system events. Oh, okay. Rewards accumulated. Uh, event reminders. Okay. Event reminders, points, milestones achieved, tier upgrades, special promotions, birthday messages. Oh, man, wonderful. Birthday notifications. So, uh, profile. Let's see what's in there. How do you get their birthdays in order to send notifications? Might I ask? Good question. Sound. Currently, the system does not collect birthday information since we're using Replis authorization, which only provides basic user data, email, first name, last name, profile image. To enable birthday notifications, you need to, one, add birthday field to user profile, database changes, add date of birth field to users table, make it optional so existing users aren't affected. User experience, add birthday field to the edit profile section. Users can voluntarily provide their birthday, show it as an option, add your birthday to receive. Option two, birthday collection during events. Event registration, when users check in, yeah, we will need to collect that anyway when they check in. Help us celebrate you at your birthday for special surprises. Option three, birthday campaign. No, we ain't doing that. Um, let's do option two. Let's do option two. Okay, why am I sitting here? Let's turn this thing off. Birthday collection feature implemented during event check-ins. Added date of birth field to user database schema. Created optional birthday input dialog with encouraging message. Updated check-in API to handle birthday data collection. Database schema changes successfully applied. The birthday collection feature is now ready. When users without a birthday on file try to check into an event, they'll see a friendly dialog asking for their birthday with a message, help us celebrate you. Users can either provide their birthday to receive future birthday rewards and notifications or skip it and proceed with check-in. Would you like to test the birthday collection feature by checking into an event? Sure. Let's check into an event. Upcoming events, view details. Let's browse events. Where's the check-in button? Join the wait list. Hey, I like that. Join the wait list. You need to activate that. We'll talk to you later. Event. I don't see today's events. Oh, oh, we made that one. Okay. It's not giving directions though. Alabama. That's not. Well, I guess that is all the details, huh? I think this should go to uh, another page. I don't know how to do it.
So this is okay. Yeah, I'm a zombie right now. But always have your brain turned on for ideas and functionalities that are useful. So like you see where it says event details and it's just giving you that little card, right? And I was like, hey, this is an opportunity to go deeper to give additional details. Like suppose the staff has additional information that goes along with the event. Something could change or then I thought about it. I was like, it can actually be useful. I guess you saw me typing to provide things such as dress code, backup plans for the event, and even more powerful, probably ways to earn additional rewards, points, and that makes the whole point system more of an experience and more of a game type situation. You know, you check in now for every event to see what special things come along with that event. And it could be a situation where, hey, if you sign up early, there's diminishing rewards. The earlier you sign up, you come here and you show that you paid for your admission because they usually do it at an event, right? Then you'll qualify for these rewards. Now, the closer you wait, is diminishing rewards. You might not even make it because the way we're pushing this thing is we might run out of capacity. So uh, there's just going to be less incentive needed the closer we get because we can only accommodate so many people anyway, which incorporates the whole scarcity mentality, which is a powerful and effective tool to use in selling and marketing. It could have information. Oh, it did go automatic. Let's see what they say in response to my suggestion. Might have already implemented it though. Let's see. Exactly, that's perfect feedback. The additional details field is exactly what will make the event experience much richer and more engaging. Let me update the placeholder text to give staff better guidance on what kind of valuable information. Great. New events. Let me see what's over here on the new events thing now. Create an event. Upload information. Upload the event image. Okay. I asked for that earlier. Whoop. I discovered an error. Failed to execute fetch window. Agent is ready. Good. Perfect. You got to play with these buttons, y'all. You got to play with these buttons. Catch all that you can before you deliver it. Oh, what am I doing? Uh, for events when uploading image, I get this error message. All right, I'm gonna put you on pause. I can see the issue. The image upload is failing because there's an incorrect API call in the staff dashboard. Let me fix this. I found it. The issue was, but it was incorrectly calling it with a URL first, which caused the error. Your event creation and editing experience should now be smooth and error-free. Let's try it again. You say so. Uh-oh. I don't know about that, buddy. Let me get rid of it. Let me refresh it. And let me try it again from here. Compose a message. We don't need that. We've done that. Let's create an event. And let's update an image. Upload an image. Doesn't matter what we use. We're just trying to test and see if it uploads. Booyah. I guess it's just held. It's not going to show it. Not going to show it to me. Oh, here is the spot for the additional information right here. Well, let's see if it gives us some of them out. Upload failed. I thought it was up there. Failed to upload. Okay, fooled me. hmm Cannot upload console.js. Image upload still doesn't work. And I don't think the create an image thing works. Oh, there it is. Create an event. Create an event doesn't work any longer. It did work. So this is what it would look like on mobile. Let me be professional here. Okay, it says it's ready. So let's go to events, discover events. Let me go to staff and create an event. Let's see, can this upload an image? First things first. First things first, you need to adjust this. Whew, time to go. Let's see. Scan, check in. How does that work? Check in to user ID required. Please enter the user ID to check in. Still up, still unnecessarily high. Then what?